So hello friends, welcome back to the another video of TCS interview series, and in this video I am going to share TCS digital interview experience that was held on 5th June 2025, and the location is Kolkata, and for the digital role, and the approximate time for the interview is 40 minutes, and this interview includes technical round, managerial round and HR round. So in this slide I have only mentioned technical questions, and in the next slide I have mentioned managerial question and HR round question. So watch full video without skipping any part, and let's get started. So the first question for the candidate is introduction. Next question is write a code of Fibonacci series, and the candidate done fully with dry run and explanation. And the third question is related to the SQL query, and candidate have to find the second minimum marks using the SQL. So the candidate did a minor mistake, but the interviewer helped him to get the solution, and at the last he answered correctly. And then next question is related to the computer network concepts. For example, OSI model, TCP and UDP. Fifth question is project explanation. So coding implementation deep. So they asked about the project in details. So you have to prepare for the project in details. And the sixth question is joining concepts in SQL all join codes. So the candidate asked to write all the SQL join code. And the seventh question is related to the normalization, all form and only theory. And one thing he asked, which is best. Eighth question is he asked about malloc and garbage collector and inheritance, protected class, difference between struct and class. And ninth question, he asked that if I applied rollback command, what will be the changes can be occurred in the table. So in this interview, basically the SQL questions were mostly asked. And the 10th question and the last technical question is without using arithmetic operator, how do you add two numbers? So these type of questions they will ask in the technical round. So prepare these type of questions also. And now move to the MR and HR round questions. So from the 11th question, then MR asked him two situation based questions, and the next question is why TCS. So 13th question is what do you know about TCS? So he explained properly about it. And the next question is how was your day? And 15th question is he said how you improve your communication skill. And the 16th question he asked rate about my communication skill. And the 16th question, then HR asked him if you allocate with different technology which you don't like, will you work? It is also a situation based question. And then 17th question and last question, HR asked him relocation, night shifts, etc. So this is the TCS real interview experience for the digital profile, and this interview experience includes technical round plus managerial round and HR round questions. So I already made videos on the TCS Prime and TCS Ninja role interview experiences, so you can access that videos in the playlist. So I have mentioned the playlist in the I button and also in the description, so you can watch from there. And if you also want more recent interview questions, you can write in the comment section, and I hope you will find this video helpful. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you guys.